So hey everyone, my name is Arun Kaushik, and I recently created a website, a web application made it with React and Firebase. So my app name is Silence, and it's a productivity app. It's a very minimal and basic app. It's a real-time chat application. So let's see its features. So the first thing is I just created a very minimal layout. You can just sign in, just sign up. So first you have to put your username, email and password, just sign up, then you can sign in, and after that you will be pushed to this page. This is the app. It has a very minimal layout, similar to other chat applications. Like there is a list of your users, and you can put DP, you can search your users, you can add users, you can chat here, and you can even listen lo-fi songs. So if you're thinking why I have done this, is just because it's my app. Okay, I can do anything. So you can just see the media you send to this chat, you can block user, and then you can log out also. So let's put this on side. So let's see how it works. Okay, so there's a basic React app, the basic nodes and modules you have to use. Okay, this app.js, we just created a login container and chat container. Okay, this is the login container, this is chat container. So in the chat container you have list, chat and detail. So let me show you. Okay, first I will show you the code. The components, we have chat, detail, list and login and notification. And then for just Firebase authentication and everything, we have the Firebase setup. So in chat we have the chat.js. So this contains the whole chat things. Let me show you. First we have to just put a username. Okay, I will just put Aryan, and just I will make this .com and just a basic password. Okay, let's sign up. Yes, account created. Okay, so you can just put your email and password and just sign in, and it will come to this page. You will come to this page. Okay, this is my ID. Aryan is my DP. It's a GIF, I know, I created because it looks funny. Okay, and then I have another page. Okay, I can just create another user like mongoDb, modi at gmail.com, modi123. Just don't laugh at me, I'm just making it a little bit engaging. Okay, account created, just modi at, let me sign in, and we are here. Okay, so we have no users, we have no friends like that. Just you can just put your username, it was mongoDb, search. Aryan is adding a user named mongoDb. Okay, just click on this, and now you can chat with mongoDb. And here also the mongoDb created a chat called Aryan. So let's say mongoDb something, hi mongoDb, and you can send any emoji also. And as soon as I send this, it is updated here. mongoDb got from Aryan, hi mongoDb. So let me write hello Aryan, and then you can just say let's send this, see this Aryan, So here you send this, and here it is updated. IRNC this. ModiG is trying to tease me. So okay, bye. And I am now very angry with Moji because he is trying to tease me, so I can just block this user. So user blocked, and here if you will refresh here, okay bye, and this you are blocked by Aryan. And ModiG cannot see my DP, not my name, nothing. It's just blank. He even cannot send me any message. Okay, and I even cannot send him any message, but I can see his DP because I didn't block it, because he didn't block me. Okay, so just unblock this user, and again ModiG can see me everything. He can say blah 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 and then send, and then we can log out. Like, yes, we can log out. So we logged out. So let's create another account. Okay, like, what should I say, ID. Okay, just to demonstrate that how we can add users and how we can search them. So xyz @gmail.com, xyz12345, and just upload anything for the TP. Just sign up. Email already in use. Just wait here. So yes, we can do this. Just sign up. Account created, nice. So xyz@gmail.com, xyz12345, sign in, and we landed on this page xyz. Okay, so just add Aryan here, add user, and then add ModiG, search, add user. We can just do this. So if I say xyz, we can search like that. If I say ModiG, he is here, and xyz. So this search thing is also working. So how it worked? Okay, let's see. The space section is divided in three things. This is the list, this is the chat, and this is the details. Okay, so this is detail section. So this all section where we can handle all the details is this section. Okay, the chat and the privacy shared photos is not working because I didn't update it. We cannot phone call or video call right now. We cannot open camera or mic because this functionality I didn't upload it. This functionality I didn't made till now. I will improve this in future for sure, and I will keep pushing this web application in future. So let's see, this detail section is all the styles I just did. In the list section, the chat lists. So in the chat list sections, this is a chat list. So let me tell you how it works. So this is a search bar, this is a chat list. So this list is this list. Okay, and this search, the chat list, search bar, these are these things. And after that, this is the list. This is from the login. For the login page, if I log out, for the login page here, login.jsx. So here, so this is a library called Toast. So from Toastify, I just imported these from Toast, React.toastify. So I just imported this so that my errors and the messages can work if I do something blah blah and blah blah and blah blah and sign up. Firebase error authentication email. Okay, like that. So from the email section, create user email and password. It's for sign up, and this is for sign in function from the Firebase. So I just imported these things. So coming to the library section, we first have chat store. Chat store connects the user from another user, carrying the information. If the user is blocked, you cannot send messages. Okay. The Firebase, this is the one of the main things. Here we have the API key and the app ID, and let me tell you one thing. Environment key, the white, or we can say wheat API key is this. So we just imported this from the Firestore. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this chat application, and in future I will push updates, and soon I will host this, and future things are coming. I will create new things, and just I cannot tell you now, but I will be making something great. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And I am here. Hey everyone, my name is Kaushik, and I just created क्या होता है एकदम से क्या प्रकट कर दी मैं